Hey everybody, we gotta do brakes and rotors for a Chevy S10. There are a few things you have to do. The new rotors do not come with the bearings in them. So you know how to use a C clamp. You're gonna compress the caliper, get that nice and loose. You're gonna get an Allen wrench. You're gonna take the pins out. You're gonna make sure that you lubricate those when you put them back in with anti-squeal. Take the caliper off, set it out of the way. You're gonna take this cover off. That cover is gonna reveal the castle nut and the bolt. Take the bolt off. Take the pin out, and then you're going to take out the outer bearing, and it has a washer. The washer comes out first. I put these are both parts together. I'm just taking it out. Washers on top, and see those are the bearings. You have to pack those with grease when you put them back in and clean up everything. Now notice that the old caliper has the inner bearings and the seal there. The new ones don't come with that. The new rotor does not come with that, so you have to replace that. Take it out of the old one, put it in the new one. So just take the new one, take everything off, put the bolt on by itself so it's loose like that. Tighten that castle nut off, and just pull the rotor from the sides, pull it out and down, and the bearing is going to catch on that nut, and that's how it just stay. You pull it out easily, and then you just put it in the new one like I'm doing there. Put the bearings in, and right behind it, you're going to put that seal in, and you're going to tap that seal all the way around. Make sure it's tight, and make sure you pack all of this with grease. I put new grease in, pack the bearings and everything, and you know how to put the brake shoes on. You're going to lubricate the back with anti-squeal compound. Carefully put those in place. You're going to replace the caliper. You're going to put your pins back in. Like I said, make sure you lubricate those and line everything up properly. And make sure before you start working on brakes, you're going to clean it, brake cleaner, dissolve some of that brake dust. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.